The next lifecycle method is ngOnChanges. So let's write the code and understand ngOnChanges. So for that I need a child component. So ng generate component child. I'm creating a child component and I'll try to render this child component here. Okay, child works. I just wanted to align this content. Now the content is center aligned. Okay, let's pass a value. Number. So let's pass this number to the child. So let's add this number field. So we'll say number equal to initial value as 0, and every time when I click a button, I'll add a number to it. So I'll say add method, and within this dot number equal to this dot number plus 1. Okay, but one thing here is okay, number. Okay, I need to pass this number to, I'm passing this to child. Okay, now I need to get hold of the number in the child component. So for this we need to use @input of number. Initialize to 0. Okay, every time when I click this add function, okay, what I am doing, I am incrementing this number. So when I increment this number, automatically this number value is going to be changed in the child component. It will get this number, and in the child component let's print this value. Incremented number is, we are printing. Okay, now every time when I click this, the number is going to change. Okay, now let's see ngOnChanges. So to check ngOnChanges in the child component, I need to add ngOnChanges and it will get a simple change as a parameter. Okay, it will track every change in the child. Okay, what we will do is whatever the change that is coming, we'll just log it as a table to the console. Okay, since we are changing this number is changing, and it will show the older number, current number in here. Okay, let's see. Now it is 0. When I click it, if you see, this is the change, current value, previous value, first change. This is not the first change, because first time when we loaded the page, that was the first change. Let's see. So this is going to be the first change. Okay, so when there is no, if it is the first change, there will be no previous value, and if it is second change, there will be a previous value. Okay, so the previous value, current value, and first change is false. So this is how the ngOnChanges works. But in real time scenario, so in the real time scenario, there will be certain situations where we need to perform and some logic to make API call and get the data from backend and display based on the selection on the child. Okay, it depends. So for that type of scenario, we have to use ngOnChanges and track that specific change and write that particular logic in the ngOnChanges. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how we can write ngDestroy. So ngDestroy. Okay. Okay, this is called when the child is destroyed. Okay. Right now it is displayed in the parent component here. When I destroy this one, the destroy function is going to be called. Let's see how we can destroy is I'll add at the rate if condition and I'll toggle the child. Okay, hide and seek. Okay, at the rate, this is Angular 17 way of writing if child is hidden or destroyed. Okay, so now I'll say initially this is true, that I'll add one more function to destroy the child. Okay, destroy child. So in this destroy function, I'll destroy the child. To destroy the child, all I need to set is false, so that it will be hidden from the, not hidden, it will be removed from the DOM. Okay, now let's see. I'm clicking destroy child. Oh, actually it is ngOnDestroy. That is the problem. Okay, now when I click it, okay, if you see child is destroyed, the child is hidden from the app component. And if you see here, within the body, there is an app and there is no child at all. Okay, to enable it again, what we will do is, every time when I click destroy, I wanted to toggle. So to toggle this value, if this is true, make it false. If this is false, make it true. So this is how ngDestroy works.